According to internal reports, the schedule for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series launch event has been revealed. Exclusive information from Financial News indicates that the Unpacked event will take place on January 23, in the first half of 2025. This differs from the previously mentioned date of January 5. In other words, the Galaxy S25 series launch is scheduled about a week later than the Galaxy S24, which was released on January 5, a Sunday. Since the media event is set for a weekday Tuesday, it's unlikely the launch will occur on the weekend. The venue for the event will be Sample, reportedly influenced by Cisco. The Unpacked event is expected to start on January 22 local time, around 2 a.m. on January 23. If the timeline moves forward, pre-orders could begin on Friday, January 24, with the official release expected by Thursday, February 30. The Galaxy S24 ranked 12th in the top 10 single smartphone sales since 2018. Although sales of the Galaxy S series have declined, the launch of the Galaxy S25 shows signs of a comeback. The entire Galaxy S25 lineup will feature Snapdragon chipsets, continuing the momentum of recovery. However, with the rise in Snapdragon costs, the Galaxy S25 series prices are also expected to increase. The visible thickness of the Galaxy S25 series suggests a lightweight derivative model, likely the Galaxy S25 Slim, which may also debut soon. Teaser images briefly showcased a ring-shaped design, hinting at the upcoming Unpacked event early next year. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will focus on an AI-driven design and introduce the Snapdragon 8 Elite, targeting top-tier performance. Thank you for leaving your comments, and thank you for watching.